Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to prepare quinoa for lunch. Start by rinsing your quinoa. This crucial step removes saponin, a natural bitter coating, ensuring a delicious, mild flavor. Simply place your desired amount of quinoa, perhaps 1 cup, into a fine mesh sieve. Rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, gently agitating the grains. This quick action makes a big difference in the final taste of your lunch. Now let's cook it perfectly. For every 1 cup of rinsed quinoa, you'll need 2 cups of liquid. You can use water or vegetable broth for added flavor. Combine them in a saucepan, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This gentle cooking method ensures fluffy, separate grains every time. After simmering, resist the urge to uncover it immediately. Let your quinoa rest, still covered, for 5 to 10 minutes off the heat. This allows the steam to finish its work, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and plump. Then, gently fluff it with a fork. You'll notice how light and airy it becomes, ready for your delicious lunch creations. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly prepared quinoa for lunch. It's incredibly versatile. Add it to salads, create vibrant grain bowls with your favorite vegetables and protein, or simply enjoy it as a nutritious side. Cooked quinoa stores well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making meal prep a breeze for your busy week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.